So guys, we are going to play Melon Dragon.
Ay, sige po.
So guys, Mamma Mia, what is that? I don't know. Mamma Mia Pizzeria, what is that? I don't know. It's been the new updates. I've been playing this since 2021, but my mother don't allow me. Now it's 2024. I joke lang, 2022. And my mother don't allow me, so now it's why it doesn't and I already know the new update because I've been watching YouTube. YouTube. Wait. Oh, I see that here. Oh. Explosions to the A, B, C. Right. There we go. It was an ad. Oh. Sheesh. It's raining and I'm inside. It would. Oh. Can it survive explosions in the nuke? Starting with level 1 fireworks. I don't want the nuclear bomb to explode. Bye bye. Say goodbye. Boom. Nothing happens. The APC so ano. Boom. Now level 2. Level 2. We're moving to footage. It's the common din that doesn't explode if it. Wait. No, I'm speaking Filipino. I'm Filipino, but now I'm American. When I was born, I only speak English and we think we're American and it's actually not. We're Filipino. When I'm 7, when I'm 5, you know. And when I'm 5. When I'm 5, I'm only American, not Filipino, and now I'm Filipino now, and you know. What the? Nothing happens. Now level 2. Sticky bomb. It sticks to somewhere. What the? This is the supposed to be a car. But no, it's not. Because, you know. Level 3. To secure heist. Okay. So level 3 is sticky bomb, level 2 is footage, and level 1 flash grenade. Oh, why? I can't explain. Level 2, level 4. Then Michelle, ako ay nag-ano, nagpo YouTube mag-hit tayo pa, you know, pa 1,000, 1,000 subscribes. Kita magpipili. Okay, double 4. C4. Double 4 is C4. What the sheesh? What the sheesh? Okay, double box. Push grenade, it's one of the longest.
Hey guys, I've been trying to choose the best weapon to defeat the ambusher monster, but I can't beat it no matter how hard I try. I chose the rocket launcher, but it dodges every time. I've got head shield.
Bruh. What the McDonald's is that? So guys, bye.